Hi kindergarten boys and girls, it's time for ABC for Kids, Kids ABC video for kids. Parents, guardians, please subscribe to this channel and allow your kindergarten preschool kids to watch our video for kids and to participate in our alphabet and numbers education activities. We will now learn the letters of the alphabet. Let's now say our ABC. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great job, kids! Let us now try to say the letters of the alphabet backwards. Z, Y, X, W, V, U, T, S, R, Q, P, O, N, M, L, K, J, I, H, G, F, E, D, C, B, A. Great job, kids! You're watching ABC for Kids, Kids ABC video for kids. Let's now discover some fun words that start with the letters of the alphabet. A is for anchor. A is for apple. A is for which month of the year starts with the letter A? April. A is for April. The month of the year starts with the letter A. B is for box. B is for bike. B is for banana. C is for cat. C is for caterpillar. C is for candy. C is for car. D. D is for dog. What is another word for father? Dad. D is for dad. E. E is for ears. You hear with your ears. E is for enter. What do you use to see? What part of your body do you use to see? Eyes. E is for eyes. Can you name another part of your body that starts with the letter E? How about elbow? E is for elbow. F. F is for fish. Name another part of your body that starts with the letter F. You have 5 of them on each hand. Fingers. F is for fingers. F is for the number 5. G. G is for goat. G is for goat. G is for gate. G is for gate. G is for good. H. H is for house. H is for hot. H is for head. What do you comb on top of your head? Hair. H is for hair. I. I is for ink. I is for Indian. J. J is for jug. Jug. J is for juice. J is for jar. What month of the year starts with the letter J? There are 3 months of the year that starts with the letter J. The first one is January. The second one is June. J is for January, J is for June. And the third one is July. J is for July. K. K is for kite. K is for king. L. L is for lamp. L is for laugh. L is for leg. M. M is for moon. What other month of the year begins with the letter M? March. M is for March. N. N is for name. We also have a month of the year that begins with the letter N. N is for November. O. O is for orange. O is for orange. O is for octopus. We also have a month of the year that begins with the letter O. The name is October. P. P is for pencil. P is for pen. Q. Q is for queen. What sound does a duck make? Quack, quack. Q is for quack. R. R is for radio. R is for run. Which color starts with the letter R? Red. R is for red. S. S is for sun. S is for stars. What month of the year starts with the letter S? September. S is for September. S is for the word start. T. T is for tongue. T is for tongue. T is for tummy. Your tummy, can you rub your tummy? T is for tummy. T is for toe. You have 5 toes on each foot. T is for toe. U. U is for under. Under. The chair is under the table. U is for underwear. Underwear. U is for umbrella. V. V is for van. V is for van. V is for vase. V is for vase. V is for vein. Your blood runs in your vein. W. W is for water. W is for water. W is for window. X. X is for xylophone. A xylophone is a musical instrument. X is for X-ray. Y. Y is for Yo-yo. Y is for the color yellow. Z. Z is for zipper, and Z is also for zebra. You guys did great. Please support our channel by subscribing and sharing our videos. You'll help us to continue making more kindergarten kids education video for kids that will educate your preschool kids and many other kids worldwide. So please click on that subscribe button. Let's make a positive impact in the lives of kids worldwide. Thank you for your support.